Hello everyone. In continuation with our topic budgeting, the next question is question 11. You are required to prepare a selling overhead budget from the estimates given below. Advertisement 1000 rupees, salaries of the sales department 1000 rupees, expenses of the sales department fixed to 750 rupees, salesman's remuneration 3000. So salesman's dearness allowance, commission at the rate of 1% on sales affected excluding agents' sale, carriage outwards estimated at 5% on sales, agents commission 7.5% on sales. The sales during the period were estimated as follows: rupees 80,000, including agent sale of rupees 8,000, rupees 90,000, including agent sale of rupees 10,000, rupees 1 lakh, including agent sale of rupees 10,500. So we need to make the budget here. We copied those things, whatever is given in the question initially: advertisement, salaries, expenses of the sales department, and sales remuneration, as it is in all these estimates A, B, C. So now commission at the rate of 1% on sales affected excluding agents' sale. So here salesman's sale will be 80,000 minus 8,000, we get 72,000. Here 90,000 minus 10,000, we get 80,000. 1 lakh minus 10,500, it becomes 89,000. Sorry, 89,500. Now, commission at the rate of 1% on sales affected excluding agent sale. That is 72,000's 1%, we get 720. 80,000's 1%, we get 800. 89,500's 1%, we get 895. Agents commission 7.5% on sales. So 8,000 into 0.075, we get 600. 10,000 into 0.075, we get 750. 10,500 into 0.075, we get 787.50. Carriage outwards at 5% on total sales means in 80,000 we need to calculate 5%, which you get 4,000. And in 90,000 5%, we get 4,500. 1 lakh 5%, we get 5,000. Adding each, we get first one as 11,070. Second one is 11,800. Third one is 12,432.57. That is the solution for this. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 12. From the following information relating to 2023 and the conditions expected to prevail in 2024, prepare a budget for 2024. So these are all 2023 figures. Sales 40,000 units, value is 1 lakh. Raw materials value is 53,000. Wages value it is 11,000. Variable overheads it is 16,000 rupees. Fixed overheads 10,000 rupees. What are the prospects of 2024 is given. Sales 60,000 units. Sale value will be 1,50,000. Raw material 5% increase in the prices. Means here it is 53,000 divided by 43. We get this per unit as 1.325 per unit. Here wages 11,000 divided by 40,000. We get 0.275 per unit. Variable overhead 16,000 divided by 40,000. We get 0.4 per unit. So here, when they say raw material 5% increase, it means 1.325 into 1.05. We get 1.39125. Wages, they say 10% increase. So 0.275 into 1.1. Get 0.3023. So these two together works out to 37,000. Then there is a 5% increase in productivity that will have an impact on what do you call wages. Impact on wages. 10% depreciation, which will have it on this 37,000. Depreciation works out to 3,700. Now let us proceed. Sales, as it is, we will write 1,50,000. Here, raw material, we worked out as 1.39125 multiplied by 60,000 units. That works out to 83,475. Then wages, we calculated 0.3025. But there is a impact on productivity. Productivity 5% increase, which means this will be divided by 1.05 and then multiplied by 60,000. Let's see how much we get. 17,286. Variable overheads, we calculated here 40 paise per unit. So 0.40 into 60,000. That will give us 24,000. Fixed to overheads, we need to, as it is, copy that 10,000. Depreciation, we calculated here 3,700. So that becomes our budget for 2024.